it's using Bitfamet. Okay, I want to try this again. You can see it's writing code though. This is amazing. So you can see it actually created the SMA. It checks the SMA 20. Wow, this is amazing. So it goes ahead and says price exchange, gets the ticker price here, which is correct. Let's see if we can make this a little bigger for you. Okay, that's a little bigger. You can see it gets the price, retrieve the current price. It calculates the 20 SMA using a rolling window of 20. So it says SMA 20, grabs the rolling window and gets the mean, which is perfect. Now, if the price is over the 20 SMA, it creates the order, exchange create market order. And then we hold for 5 days. You can use a timer or date comparison. Looks like it didn't build that part, but then it says if price is under the 40 SMA, then we sell.